Good morning, students. So today we are going to deal with peasants revolt. Okay, ma'am. So peasants edikaga and why did they came in revolt is the topic what we are going to deal today. Clear? So earlier they were having their own land. In that land they are used to grow their own crops. Okay, so அவங்களுக்கு விஷா இருக்கிற என்ன crop-ஆ இருந்தாலும் they used to grow in it. But what happened is in advanced stages, the British government forced them, okay, to grow the indigo crop, to grow santal crops. Okay, so many crops growing was actually imposed on them, and those crops pattern actually changed the wishes of peasants. Okay, va. So British government என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா, நீங்கள் இந்த crop grow பண்ணுங்க. Indigo crop is one of a very costly crop. Clear? So you just grow that crop. That was actually advised by British peoples, and our peasant people who are actually to nominate their decision. Okay, the decision of British were actually to be accepted by our peasants. Okay, ma'am. So they accepted it. They said okay. But what exactly happened was it changed the entire set of pattern of growing, okay, the agricultural pattern in the fields for all those farmers. Okay, so this was the reason why a revolt actually broke down. So now we'll talk about the Santal rebellion. Okay, this is your first said to be the peasants revolt. Okay, and this occurred in between the year 1855 to 1856. Clear? So it actually occurred in the hilly areas, okay, of Rajmahal in Bihar. So Bihar la nadanda oru rebel party da pesrom, that is your Santal rebellion. Okay, so this was actually done under two important Santal brothers, namely Sidhu and Kanhu. Okay, so these important persons actually started this. So why this rebellion actually broke out means the land near this Rajmahal in Bihar, okay, ma'am. So that area, that land was actually cultivated by the group of people named as Santals, okay, ma'am. So Santals, ஒரு group of community people என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா Santals சொல்லுவாங்க, and அவங்க தான் அந்த லேண்டை கல்டிவேட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. கிளியர்? ஸோ என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா the Bihar peoples, okay, ஸோ சந்தால்ஸ் வந்துட்டு அந்த லேண்டோட ஓனர்ஸ் கிடையாது, பட் தே யூஸ்டு ஃபார் கல்டிவேஷன். அந்த லேண்ட் அவங்க யூஸ் தான் பண்ணிக்கிட்டாங்க. So Bihar people who were the real owners of that particular area where Santals were cultivating, they got very angry. They decided that how they could come and cultivate on our land. So they started to bring a war, okay, a small fight மாதிரி நடந்துச்சு. ஓகேவா? So they said that they started to occupy their lands, okay, they started to snatch away their lands from these peasants of Santals, okay, and the landlords, moneylenders all took advantages of these poor Santal peoples. So this only brought out a small bit war, that is about 1855 இந்த war நடந்துச்சு. Clear? Then those two brothers of Santals were actually, what they did is they killed many British officers. Okay, so they actually set on fire on these British officers' houses and all, and at last they were being arrested also. And then those pregnas which they started was given the name of Santal Pregnas, so as to safeguard their own lands. Okay, so அந்த land வந்து Bihar peoples கிட்ட இருந்துச்சு, அந்த land திருப்பி வாங்கி Santals கிட்டயா they have given that. Okay, so to cultivate more and more crops in it. Okay, so that was a very good Santal rebellion. See pictures given for you. Clear? Now we'll go for Indigo revolt. So important point mark பண்ணுங்கம்மா. Indigo revolt is very important, and this occurred between 1859 to 1860. So Bengal, okay, so in Bengal what happened is the British government peoples, okay, officers, they started to force the peasants to grow indigo. இப்போ அவங்களுக்கு சொன்னிருக்கேன் ஆல்ரெடி பெசன்ஸோட ரிவால்ட் ஏன் ப்ரோக் ஆச்சுன்னா the main reason is indigo revolt தான். Clear? So British officers and zamindars, they were continuously forcing these peasants to grow indigo, and indigo was very high cost plant, and those plants were actually to be sold at a very high rate. Okay, ma'am. So if the peasants are selling it at high rate, no consumers, okay, so no people is coming to buy it. Okay, ma'am. So it was a very big loss for whom? The farmers. So the farmers thought to sell it again in a cheaper rate, but for that the British officers didn't give an agreement. Okay, so British officers said that no, you have to sell it at a very high rate only. Okay, and those people, that is the British peoples, didn't even low down, that is they didn't reduce the revenue for that also. Okay, the taxes was always remained to be high. Okay, ma'am. ஸோ டேக்ஸையும் அவங்க கம்மி பண்ணலை. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ அவங்க என்ன சொன்னாங்கன்னா, பிரிட்டிஷ் ஆஃபீஸர்ஸ், நீங்கள் இண்டிகோ பிளான்ட்டு தான் இந்த லேண்டில் கல்டிவேட் பண்ணணும், அதுவும் ஹை ரேட்டில் தான் கல்டிவேட் பண்ணணும், யூ ஷுட் நெவர் ரெடியூஸ் த ரேட் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. ஓகேவா? பட் திஸ் பீப்புள் வேர் வெரி ஸ்ட்ராங் இன் தியர் திங், பிகாஸ் நாங்கள் ரொம்ப லாஸில் போயிட்டுருக்கோம். ஸோ we can't be able to reduce this. Okay, we can't be able to increase the price of this indigo plant. Clear? So that was actually going on in this indigo farming land. And that's the reason why the indigo planters came on to revolt with the British officers. Clear? And the indigo revolt party, many stories are also been written. Okay, many drama have been done. One such drama is Dinabandhu Mitra. Okay, this person wrote a drama. Many other is given in your textbook. Just go through it, ma'am. Okay, so now we'll go with Papna revolt. Just see that Papna revolt is given. Okay, so Papna revolt enga nadந்துச்சுனா, again that was also occurred in Bengal one. Okay, and this is all because of zamindar. So Papna revolt is mainly against the zamindar. So zamindaroட பேர் என்ன பாருங்க, Yusuf Shahi Pargana. Okay, he was actually from Papna in Bengal. So against him, Keshab Chandra Roy, he was actually a riot, and this riot person, okay, he actually started this Papna revolt under two more persons. Okay, so he started that, and main reason, okay, ella revolt ku mena main reason enna zamindars. Okay, then I have said you other name also, right, that persons and British officers. Okay, all were forcing these people, that is a peasants, romba force pannanga riots. They were very forcing that you have to pay the high amount of taxes for your land. Okay va? So rent வந்து ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தி செட் பண்ணாங்க, and they were forcing that you have to pay a very high land rent. Okay, and that was not acceptable by the peoples of the peasants of Bengal. Clear? And that's the reason why they broke on to a revolt. Clear for that? Okay, so in this time what this indigo revolt was very serious, but when you talk about this Papna revolt, it was a bit light violence. Romba light ah dhaan irundhuchu violence, but a few zamindars were also killed, somewhere very brutally injured also. Clear? So other revolts, left out revolts, நம்ம next class il paakalam. Okay, so இந்த மூணு revolt important, idhula indigo revolt is very very important. Just go through it. If you have any doubt, you are very free to ask me. Clear? Now do your QB and your test question very sincerely, and then submit it on time. Okay, stay safe.